So here's my brand new Fortec VXL with the Cadillac body in blue, and as promised, I'm gonna be doing some runs and filming them. Seems like last time I had my camera set to a different resolution than what I wanted, so at this point my video should be 4K and 60 frames. Hopefully that'll get these shots to look even better. I'm gonna try my best to keep it in good condition, but as you know, RC car bodies don't tend to stay good for very long. But let's see how fast this thing can go. Just after a few seconds of running, there's already a couple marks on the bottom, and the tires, of course, are gonna get a little dirty. Tried to wait until it was completely dry, but it's still a little wet. But the great thing is everything in here is waterproof. This thing is holding up really well. The blue looks great in the sun, and honestly I thought there'd be more damage than this because there have been like rocks and leaves and things hitting it, but it's doing really well. Even the front bumper, which I would have thought for sure would have some scrapes by now, still looks pretty much out of the box. There's some little water lines from the tires. The inside's full of dirt, but that's pretty easy to clean out, so definitely if you're looking for a strong body that'll hold up well even after use, Traxxas pre-prepared bodies do a pretty good job at that. One of the reasons this body's staying in such good shape is that it's for on-road use, which means that there's not going to be too much I'm dealing with where something off-road like a Slash, Summit, or like a Stampede will be constantly pelted with rocks and dirt, whereas here it's just a few pebbles here and there. So definitely, if you're looking to keep a body in good shape, stay on the road. There's very little damage to the bottom. Some dirt on the inside that I should clean off, but the body is staying in really good condition because I've actually hit a couple potholes and some big branches that have kind of sent this thing into like a quick wheelie, but it's doing really well. It still looks amazing in that blue color. I'm really glad I went with this body, but I might see about getting some of the other bodies like the Corvette or something as well. Right now I have a 3S LiPO installed and it's got the stock gearing, so I'm not sure the exact numbers, but if I had to guess, I think its max speed right now is 50, which I've barely been able to get up to just because I don't really have enough open space where I worry about running into other cars or curbs or in general just spinning out. But I would definitely recommend, if you're looking for a fast on-road car, and strong too, definitely go with the Fortec. The great thing is, even with the normal tires, it seems like if you put a quick flip of the throttle into it, it can send the tires into a bit of a spin, which it's all-wheel drive, so that's pretty impressive. But yeah, if you're looking into drifting, this is a great setup to go with, because if you put the drift tires on, you'll basically be able to drift around like an entire RC course if that's what you want to do. So unfortunately, I did have my first crash with this, or I shouldn't say crash, but more hit something at the side curb here, and it got some paint on the side tires, and still, despite that, it really ran into the curb, and there's only a few scratches on the front, so it's not pristine like it was before, but it definitely is something that once I clean those tires off, it's not going to look too bad. Definitely be careful where you drive it, because where I was standing, I wasn't able to see properly and going a little too fast and lost control.